Have you ever walked away from a conversation and felt strangely drained, even though nothing obvious happened? Today, we are going to explore the quiet warning that appears when something around you is slowly pulling from your spirit. And by the end of this lesson, you may realize that the unsettling feeling you once ignored was actually trying to reveal something important all along. Your spirit was under attack. See, something unusual begins long before a person realizes their spirit is under attack because it does not arrive with any form of warning. It does not appear as obvious danger. Instead, it begins as a strange inner sensation that many people struggle to explain. A quiet exhaustion appears even after adequate rest. A subtle emptiness that develops in places that once felt alive. Conversations that once energized you begin leaving you depleted. Many people mistake this for ordinary fatigue, stress, or even a difficult season of life. But spiritually, history shows that something deeper often occurs in these moments. Across cultures and sacred traditions, teachers warn about what happens when a person's spiritual vitality is gradually drained by environments, relationships, or hidden dynamics. The strange feeling is often the first signal. It's not a dramatic alarm, just a quiet internal awareness that something around you is slowly pulling life from your spirit. The book of Proverbs often offers a warning that many overlook. Proverbs chapter 4:23 advises, guard your heart above all else, for everything you do flows from it. Now, this verse was not just simply poetic advice. Ancient teachers understood that the inner life of a person is constantly influenced by the environments and people that surround them. When that influence becomes destructive, the spirit begins sending signals. The first signal is usually a quiet disturbance within. At first, it is difficult to identify. You may walk into certain spaces and suddenly feel drained for no clear reason. You may interact with certain individuals and leave feeling mentally foggy or emotionally depleted. The strange part is that nothing openly hostile may have occurred, yet something within you recognizes the exchange. The early desert fathers of Christian tradition even wrote about this phenomenon. In their spiritual journals, they describe moments when a person would feel spiritually empty after certain encounters. One monk wrote that some interactions left him feeling as though a lamp inside had lost its oil. The experience was subtle but unmistakable. Your body may remain fine, your thoughts may still function normally, but something deeper begins to feel diminished, and this is why the sensation often confuses people. Modern culture teaches people to trust only what is visible or measurable, but spiritual traditions across the world recognize that a person's vitality can be influenced by unseen changes that occur through attention, conflict, manipulation, or constant emotional demand. The strange feeling that appears when the soul is being drained often includes several quiet signs. First, your enthusiasm for things that once brought life begins to fade. Creative energy declines, motivation weakens, activities that once restored your spirit begin to feel exhausting. Second, your mind may begin to feel unusually scattered. It becomes harder to focus even on simple tasks. You may find yourself rereading the same sentence repeatedly or forgetting things you normally remember easily. Third, an emotional dullness begins to settle in. And this is not the same as sadness. It is more like a muted inner atmosphere where joy, excitement, and inspiration seem distant. The most concerning part is that many people assume the problem is themselves. They begin asking questions like, why am I suddenly tired all the time? Why does everything feel harder lately? Why do I feel empty around certain people or in certain environments or when I return home? But spiritual teachers throughout history often gave a different explanation. Sometimes the issue is not weakness within the person. Sometimes the issue is that a person's vitality is constantly being pulled away by unhealthy connections or environments. The strange feeling is the early warning. If ignored long enough, the draining continues until the person becomes spiritually exhausted. The pattern has appeared repeatedly throughout history. Leaders, prophets, and healers frequently withdrew from certain crowds or situations when they sensed this type of depletion. Even Jesus withdrew into solitude after intense periods of public interaction. Luke 5:16 notes, but Jesus often withdrew to lonely places and prayed. This was not avoidance, it was restoration. Periods of isolation allow spiritual strength to return after constant interaction with people seeking healing, guidance, and emotional support. Without restoration, even the strongest person can become depleted. This is why the strange feeling matters. It is not random, it is an early signal that your inner life is trying to warn you. The warning is simple: something around you may be consuming more from your spirit than it is giving back. And when this happens repeatedly, the soul begins sending quiet alerts. The feeling appears, the exhaustion grows, the motivation fades. But there is a powerful truth that many people overlook. The strange feeling is not just a warning, it is also protection. Because the moment you notice the sensation, you have already begun the process of awareness. Many people spend years ignoring the signal. They stay in draining environments. They remain connected to people who constantly take from their spirit. Eventually, they become so exhausted that they believe their vitality is gone permanently. But the deeper revelation is this: your spirit does not disappear, it withdraws when it is being drained too heavily. The strange feeling is not simply depletion, it is the moment your inner life begins asking for restoration. And the most powerful realization appears when you finally understand that the feeling was trying to tell you all along. It was never weakness, it was wisdom trying to protect what is sacred within you. When the soul senses that its vitality is being consumed without renewal, it sends the signal. The strange feeling appears, not to frighten you, but to wake you up. Because the moment you recognize it, you can begin reclaiming the life that was quietly being taken from you. And once the awareness appears, something even more powerful begins to happen. You start choosing where your spirit is allowed to go. You start choosing which environments deserve your presence. You start choosing which relationships are allowed access to your inner life. That is the moment the draining stops. Because the soul that recognizes its value cannot be easily emptied again. Thank you for visiting my channel. May your soul be blessed. Stay covered, stay conscious, and stay undefeated. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.